The reason why I would recommend Pecan AI, first off, is because it's easy to use. That's one of the major reasons why I would recommend Pecan AI as an expert data analyst. The reason why we sought a predictive analytics solution, specifically Pecan AI, right, is because we had the objective of reducing the churn rate of our clients. The Pecan team they've been really supportive, right? And they have an in-house team of experts, right, that also understand how machine learning models work. So they've actually been of great support in us getting this model out for TCP. The business impact is increased revenue, getting clients to stay longer, getting clients not to churn or to cancel. A year plus ago, it took a longer time before we could even come up with our first model to critique. It took about 3 months, right, to even come up with a model. But with Pecan AI, in the first 2-3 weeks, we had a model to critique, a model to improve on, a model that we knew that, okay, this is the baseline, let's add other features and the like. So it was faster to actually implement Pecan AI. Pecan AI is faster, it's easier in terms of writing queries, in terms of getting the features, the data points, the attributes that you need to train a machine learning model. Pecan AI makes it easy because it integrates with different sources and you get to write your queries directly and you get your data into Pecan AI and then you train your model.